I'm gonna make a quick instruction video of how to make deliveries on Northeast Airport Way on the airport offices. So when you're on Northeast Airport Way, stay all the way to the left lane, stay all the way to the left lane, follow the left lane, go all the way until where it says long-term parking and port offices. And in a second here, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it where it says long-term parking and port offices. Because sometimes it can be really difficult to find where these offices are if you try to make deliveries at the airport. So again, keep going, stay left on Northeast Airport Way. Keep going. Now stay left. See what it says here? What it says? Long-term parking and port deliveries. Did you see that? Stay left, all the way left. Keep going, all the way to the left. Keep going, and then to the right until where there's a stop light. I mean this stop sign. Then turn right. Turn right, kind of go around this brick building, and then you see where it says port offices deliveries right there. Follow the sign of that all the way to the right, and then you'll see a call box. See a call box here. Hit the buzzer, the middle box there. There's two signs. There's a sign that goes scrolling up and scrolling down. Scroll up until you see the HQ headquarters, head office headquarters. Hit that, and then it will ring a bell to the headquarters offices, and then it'll open up the gate, and you go all the way, pull up to the front there, and then you go. I don't know if you can see that. Somewhere it says, I don't know if you can see it properly. It says, I don't know if you can see. There's a sign right there. It says headquarters offices. Just pull up there and then ring the buzzer there. Just park there. They'll come out and then open for you, and then that's where you make deliveries. It's pretty simple. Thanks.